Daddy taught us one thing that's very valuable, and it's ringed in my soul since childhood. He taught us that it was important for a little child to talk to Jesus. And up behind the old barn, all of us children, little ragged kids, would go up there just about every day, and we'd put a rock beside of this tree, and each time we'd pray there, we'd put a rock. And over the years, there was a pile of rocks representing the prayers that we prayed. I went up there many times just by myself when my brothers wasn't around, and I'd put a rock on the altar and I'd pray. So the birds would do the singing, and I could hear the wind as it would blow the treetops. And as those trees clapped their hands and the birds sang the songs and I prayed the prayer and the Lord sent His Spirit, I've had a mini revival out under the trees, just God, those little birds, and me. I wrote a song by that title.
Church is where I wanted to be. The birds were singing in the top of the tree.
That's birds.
I looked, there was no one around. I said, I'll praise you, Lord, like those little bitty birds. So I fell up on the ground. For saving my soul and giving me victory. Would you believe I had revival out under those trees? Just God and those little birds and me. If you ever go a-walking out where nature has its way, just stop and look around. You can hear God a-talking in the blowing of the leaves and when the birds make their sound. For God's great voice is a voice like thunder, yet His voice is small and still. He will talk to you everywhere you go, and the valleys are on the hill. Thank you, Jesus, for saving my soul and giving me victory. Would you believe I had revival out under those trees? Just God and those little birds and me. Well, thank you, Jesus, for saving my soul and giving me victory. Would you believe I had revival out under those trees? Just God and those little birds and me. Just God and those little birds and me. Just God and those little birds and me.